I'm Duan. Welcome to PD Tech for another professional guide.
And I'm Peter. If you find these systems a struggle, remember PD Tech offers full-service bookkeeping tailored for NZ trades.
Watch this video to learn how to roll back depreciation in Xero. In the Fixed Assets Register, click Run Depreciation. Then select Rollback Depreciation. You need the Advisor user role to roll back depreciation, and depreciation can only be rolled back one financial year at a time. Use the Rollback To dropdown to select the date you want to roll back to. In this example, we'll choose 1 April 2025. Read the information about what happens when you roll back depreciation, and when you're ready, click Rollback to confirm. Xero reverses the depreciation postings back to the date you selected.